More letters in the series of emphatic letters in Arabic. Next up we have letter dha. This is a heavy the. So in Arabic we have a letter that makes it sound th in English from the or there. It's called harf al-dhal. This is a regular sound. You can already make it if you speak English, dhal, right? But we have a heavier version of this, or a heavy letter, which is dha, emphatic version of the dhal, dha, okay? So examples of the dha, we have dharf, which is circumstance or envelope, and then dhulm, which is injustice. So it's not dhulm and it's not dharf. When you mispronounce them like this, you can hopefully clearly hear the difference. So we have dharf, not dharf, dharf. And then dhulm, not dhulm, okay? Words with a regular the sound, like dhaki, smart or clever. And then dhakar, which is male, the gender, male. Fa'anna, dhakar, dhaki, you can already probably pronounce these. But then dharf, maybe if you're having trouble with this, again, try to mispronounce it with the other word, or the other letter, sorry, to hear the difference. So not dharf, dharf, not dhulm, dhulm. Let me know what other letters you know start with the letter dha. بشوفكم فيديو الجاي. See you in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to check out the free mini course in the bio or description. See you there.